This video tutorial I will explain SQL EXISTS Operator. Here you can see the syntax of EXIST operator. Select column names from table name where exist and the subquery. And EXIST operator is used to test for the existence of any record in the subquery. And EXIST operator returns true if the subquery returns one or more records. We will see one example. Here you can see the employee table. It has 6 records. And here you can see the address table. It has 6 records. Employee table and address tables are linked using employee ID. Employee ID is foreign key in address table and primary key in employee table. And here you can see the example of exist operator. Select employee name from employee table where exist and the subquery. The subquery is select city from address where I am joining the employee ID from employee table and employee ID from the address table and city equal to Kerala. I am executing the query and I got employee name as Dave. So Dave is the employee who is located in Kerala. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.